Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few more cards from the other two decks. Let's see what's coming up. Uh, Libras. Libras, with these cards, I feel you do not know what to decide. Guys, you are very doubtful, okay? You're doubting your person regarding a third party. There may be a third party involved in your situation, okay? Um, so you are doubting your person, you don't know whether it is true or not, you don't know whether you can base your what to say your decision on that, okay? So some kind of you're going through some kind of confusion, and you're working based on your intuition, like you are having some kind of doubts in your mind, okay? But something positive is coming, guys, okay? Some kind of understanding, some kind of clarity. With this card, I feel this what to say, this confusion is going to get a clarity. So that is the energy here. You are getting the clarity regarding this third party situation. This may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy. Your person may feel may doubt you regarding this, and they may be getting that clarity regarding the situation, guys. So let me pick out few cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. Libras, with these cards, I feel your person, maybe you are, or your person is true to their heart, okay? They are very much content and happy in this relationship. They have a good attraction towards you and harmony. I don't think they have a third party involved. Maybe they are into some kind of what to say, routine, or they may be doing something in their work, or they may be practicing some new kind of hobbies, or exercise, or something like that, okay? Some kind of routine they are into, and they do not find the time to come and meet you or be with you. So that is the energy here, Libras. So they may not be seeing a third person, guys. They may not have a third party involved, okay? It is just you, but it just means because of their lack of time due to some activity they have taken up, okay? Some kind of exercise, or some kind of lifestyle change, okay? Or in their work they may be having some kind of meetings or discussions, so they rarely find time to come and meet you. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So uh, some kind of habits and repetitive behavior is coming in the middle, guys. Something is obstructing them. is causing this obstacle. Maybe some habits of theirs, maybe they are into some kind of addictions. That may also be the reason here. They do not find time to come and meet you. Libra, let me pick out few cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Compassion. Okay. It's an angel card here. Okay. Libras, with these cards, I feel you need what to say. You need that inspiration in your mind to go about your daily activities. Okay, but you feel something is blocking it. You have the heaviness in your heart. Okay, maybe regarding this situation, maybe thinking of this person. Okay, so you have some kind of a block within yourself. You're very unsure, but it is time for you to uh, forget, okay, the negativity, and forgive them, guys, and expand your awareness. You can talk to them. You can help yourself by bringing clarity, okay, by communicating with your person and bringing to a better understanding. Okay, that way when you communicate with your person, you will get a good understanding, guys, and when you do that, you will heal yourself from this negative emotion. And you can do that by starting to help the people around you. Okay, maybe it can be a small help, something very minor, something very small. Okay, maybe by your actions. You don't have to donate money or anything. Just any small help, it will just what to say, expand our heart, guys. It will just help us to divert ourselves from our issues, from our problems, and it will automatically help us to heal from whatever we are experiencing. So Libras, you just need to open your heart to kindness and healing, guys. In order to do that, you have to forgive your person or forgive yourself for the mistake you have done. Okay, this may be your energy or this may be your person's energy, Libras. So that is the reading, guys. But something important, some kind of important clarity is coming to you. So you have to take the first step to that, guys. You have to talk to your person if it is in your relationship. If this concerns your relationship, you just need to open your mind and talk to them about the issues you're facing. Okay, about the doubts you're having in your mind regarding this third party. Once you do that, you will get the clarity, guys, and you will reach the solution. So that is the reading, Libras. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye.